Hey guys, and it's finally here. What you're looking at is the official press render of the OnePlus 6 in the new mirror black color. We're just 3 days away from the official event, but you don't have to wait till that to see how it's going to look, cause I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. So first up, OnePlus went full on premium on this phone. The back design is inspired from the top of the line flagships like the iPhone X or the Galaxy S9. They have used the gloss with vertical dual cameras that will rival the camera gods such as the Pixel and the iPhone X and the S9. We're gonna talk about that later, but yeah, this camera will be seriously good, and the fingerprint scanner can be seen on the back below the camera with a good separation in between. So we got the LED flash in between, so it's not gonna be a pain to use. So this also means that there will be no in-display fingerprint scanner as some rumors say. So fingerprint scanner is on the back, and there will be a software-based face unlock feature as well, which is going to be lightning quick, but at the same time it's not going to be the most secure form of security. So the securest will be the fingerprint scanner. Now at the bottom it says designed by OnePlus. We also got a OnePlus logo as well, and the rest of the stuff is clean. Now this is one of the few phones remaining on the market to retain the headphone jack, so that's awesome. There will be a Type-C connector as always. It supports fast charging, one of the fastest phone to charge up. We got one speaker at the bottom and one on the front at the earpiece area. So stereo speakers are actually coming here with this new flagship. They're making sure that they're hitting all the points. Now if we look at the side of the phone, it does have a slight camera bump, so it's not completely flushed in. The button configuration is the same except for the alert slider, which is now above the power button on the right, and apparently it has something to do with the camera for focusing. You should be able to control the focus by this alert slider. It might have something to do with the slow-mo feature as well. Now the most controversial thing is the display. It's having a 6.28-inch AMOLED display with a notch, and whether you hate it or like it, this is the future. Everyone is doing it. Huawei, LG, and eventually most likely Google. Everyone is doing it except Samsung, so it's here. I personally don't hate it, but if you do, you will be able to hide the notch in the settings, and since it's an AMOLED display, it will be pretty well hidden. Now these are some cheeky official renders, but the phone does actually have a chin at the bottom. A little bit smaller than the last year's model. It's not as big, but it's still a chin. So what do I think about this design overall? I think it's absolutely on point. They have nailed it once again. You got everything going on. It's premium. It's following the latest trend, and despite having the notch, people will still going to love it for its price, which also got revealed. The 64GB model is expected to go for $550, and the 128GB model will go near $600. Yes, it is a little bit expensive, but the phone definitely has stepped up a lot compared to the previous generations. It's not just a phone with the latest processor or all the essentials. I mean, it is definitely providing you everything. It's the first OnePlus phone to have water and dust resistant. Now here are the specs. Again, Snapdragon 845 processor with 8GB of RAM, and we just got the benchmark score for it, Geekbench 4, and it is similar to the scores of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that we discussed in our last video. And it has got a slightly bigger battery as well, AMOLED display, 6.28-inch. Again, cameras are coming with the same specs as last year, but with a new and improved sensor. OnePlus recently posted a camera comparison of OnePlus 6 on Twitter against the iPhone X, Pixel, and the Galaxy S9 Plus, and it's just a guess. I mean, they didn't specify which one is the OnePlus 6 picture, but all of them look great except this one, so I hope it's not the OnePlus 6 pic. Now, huge props to OnePlus for actually putting a super slow-mo video feature with this camera, so it should be able to go at 960 frames per second on 720p resolution, just like the Sony Xperia XZ2 and the Samsung Galaxy S9. They actually posted the teaser for it on Twitter, and it looks pretty good. So overall, like I said guys, it's one of the most feature-packed phone for this $550 price. It is a little bit expensive, but you're getting everything. You're getting latest specifications, top-notch design. I mean, even with the notch, it's still going to be a pretty good phone, and the camera is going to be seriously improved this time. They're hyping it up. I can't wait to see it, but I want to hear your thoughts about the new OnePlus 6. What do you think about this phone in general, and will you be buying this phone and saving your money instead spending it on like $1,000 phones? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.